Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the step-by-step process on how to set up scheduled cleaning through the SharkClean app for your robot vacuum. So what we're going to do is launch SharkClean. And from the homepage, what we want to do is open up the menu here in the upper left-hand corner, clicking on that. In the menu, we want to open up where it says Schedule. And to add a consistent cleaning schedule, what we can do is click on this little plus icon here in the upper right-hand corner. And let's say for this schedule, I want the robot vacuum to clean up every single day. So I'm going to toggle the every single day of the week option. If you want, you can pick specific days, but I'm going to do all for this example. And I want to set this for 9 a.m. every morning. So to do this, I'm going to cycle through the time here with this little plus icon to get it to 9 a.m. It's also important to note that you don't want to set up the cleaning schedule during do not disturb hours that you have in your settings. I'll show you where that is after I've set up this new schedule. And then if you scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, you want to click where it says Schedule Clean. After that, it's going to take us back to the previous page where it shows every day that we have a scheduled cleaning, and that's denoted by these little dots that are on the different days. If we scroll to the bottom of this page, you can see the do not disturb is off, but you can set a time period for your robot to not run in the do not disturb settings. We can open up that option by clicking right here. And if you want, you can toggle on the do not disturb. And then from there, you can set up when you don't want the robot to clean. So don't clean after a specific time or before a specific time, and you can save those changes. But I'm not interested in setting a do not disturb option. So I'm going to toggle this back to the off position and go back to the previous page. And if you ever want to edit or delete your cleaning schedule, all you have to do is come back right here to the scheduled page and see the upcoming scheduled options and click on that. That brings us back to this page where you can either delete the scheduled cleaning or you can edit the days of the week that you have the scheduled cleaning set for. You can also edit the time that you have the scheduled cleaning set for. And then once you make those changes that you want, you can click Save at the bottom. Let's say, for instance, that I want to delete this schedule that I had just made. So I can click on this little trash can in the upper right-hand corner and then click on where it says Delete Schedule. And then again, that takes us back to the schedule page where it shows us the days where a scheduled cleaning will occur. And we can see that all of those dots have been removed from all of these days because I no longer have a schedule set. And that'll wrap up this video. So I hope it was helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how you can create, edit, or remove scheduled cleanings through the SharkClean app. I appreciate you guys stopping by and consider subscribing for more content in the future.